How to disable download option in YouTube video. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you'll be needing an application that is YouTube Studio that is easily available in your Play Store and App Store. If you have not installed it, make sure to get it for your device. Once installed, launch the application in your mobile. Then make sure to log in using your YouTube channel account. Once you are in here at the bottom, you will see the option of content. Tap on it. From here, select on the video in which you want to disable the download option. Tap on the video. Then at the very top, you will see the pencil icon. Click on it. Right over here at the bottom, you will see the option of more options. Click on it. Then under license and distribution, you will have the option of allow embedding. Make sure to toggle it off. By this way, you'll be able to disable the download option in your YouTube video. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.